Hey, I'm Mark, and I'm going to quickly demo what we've been building. API documentation is composed of two parts, the references and the guides. We're building something that merges the needs of documentation across a whole organization, so that it isn't just a tool for developers anymore. So much money and time across orgs is wasted shipping docs that more often than not people aren't happy about, not even their customers. We've solved this. We have real-time collaboration right out of the box. Right now, there is next to no form of productive collaboration with most tools. We built a Notion-like editing experience with tons of custom components. Right now, using our two most popular competitors, README or Stoplight, feel way too complicated. Our templates are fully customizable, so take for example a design-forward company like Linear. If they wanted to create docs that match their brand guidelines, they'd have to awkwardly hack together existing solutions or spend months of time and resources building out their own. Right now, Linear is using Gitbook, but with API docs, we can spend just a few minutes porting over their brand guidelines so they have on-brand docs with just changing a few lines of CSS and a handful of variables. The last thing I want to show you is the open source API references. Swagger UI and Redocly are currently the two most popular choices, but they have gotten so comfortable that their product innovation has halted about a decade ago. This is the pet store example in Swagger and Redocly. You can test endpoints, which is great, but the experience really feels like an afterthought. Here's our API references with the pet store example. We have collaboration on the Swagger file alongside GitHub sync and imports. When we started to build this and we wanted to build the endpoint test functionality, we saw it as an opportunity to capitalize on our customers' users and bring more value. While our competitors have a hacked together and poorly thought out interface for testing endpoints, we have a deeply integrated and well thought out tool, a REST API client elegantly built into our app that will eventually be a separate product offering. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll keep you updated on our progress. Thank you so much.